touch your hair. Oh my god, yeah. It's pretty.
Okay, so this is how it looked when I first got finished with the install. It looked super nice. So now what I'm about to do is roll up, and I'm about to roll me a blunt, but I'm about to do a voiceover just telling y'all about how this wig is. And basically I'm going to be wine curling the hair, and if you want to see how it comes out, stay tuned. If you want details of this wig, stay tuned. So it came up to $224 with the tax. If you want it in a 20-inch, it only took about 2 days to get to my house. You know, Amazon Prime is fast. It's supposed to be a 13x4, but it's definitely not a 13x4. It's like a frontal in the middle with like tracks on the side, and I hate that. Also, it's supposed to be 150 density. I know 150 density is not really thick, but it's giving mad thin. Like, it's thin as hell. So, but I mean, it's soft. I do like it. It holds the curl well and stuff like that. But would I order it again? Definitely not. So if that doesn't bother you, then yeah, go right ahead and shop the link in the description. The pros is like that the price was definitely affordable, and the shedding is actually minimal. It shedded when I plucked it. And what else? Yeah, basically like it shedded when I plucked it, and I kind of trimmed my face, so I cut it to like frame my face, and that's like when I got the shedding. But other than that, it's like not that much for a 613 wig, so that's a pro. And even though the tracks is like all up on your temples and all that, it does provide a whole lot of lace, so you could still wear it like in a ponytail or like pull it to the back, like as you can see. So yeah, they give you about like an inch or two, but that's what I mean when I say it's not a 13x4. I want to shout out the winner to the wig giveaway I did for the yellow wig. Her name is Anika from Canada. Yes, she definitely was the one that sent me an email, but I know it was. I apologize. It wasn't working with people saying that when they comment their email, it was getting deleted on behalf of YouTube. So I apologize to that, but she reached out to me and asked me if I could put it in the description box. And for the to find out how she was the winner, me and my boyfriend put the names in the hat when we was at a bar, and her name instantly fell out as soon as he opened the hat. So it was definitely meant to be. Yes, boo, you manifested this wig, honey. So that should be coming to you soon. But if you don't get a diving board and get in and jump into these girls, like, beautiful, what was said, everything is just coming together with the color. And I honestly wasn't even styling it because I just been so busy with my classes and lab. Like, I just been wearing it in a ponytail, but it's just so cute. Like, I'm definitely gonna do this color again. So I hope you enjoyed.